Y'all, this door looks sexy. What's up, sexy? Yes.
Alrighty.
Real love, now I see you. Yeah, you know I do to make it through the times we had.
What is up, you guys? So this is going to be the clip that I'm showing you guys right now. We're going to get ready to update the shutters for the house. When we first moved in, we went and had this, like, Mike, what would you call it? It's like a 4-screen?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can really see it on this camera. Actually, you can. Yeah, I can't tell because it's so bright out here. Right now, this is like 4-screen. And the color that we're going to go with now is basically a black. So I want to do black just because it looks a little bit cleaner. So I got Mike over here taking down some of the shutters to the house.
I'm just putting these boxes out so we can set these shutters on so we're not killing the grass too bad. Or I have to see black marks on the grass for a couple weeks. So yeah, that's gonna be it. And then you could spray them on the grass, but then the grass is so high because they haven't cut the grass yet. And then you end up seeing grass marks on the paint. We don't want that. Definitely don't want that. So that's the upstairs ones. These ones, I put these for downstairs. All right, right here, we got this paint from Home Depot. We went with the Behr Premium Plus paint and primer in one. So we're not sitting here putting a million coats. We're just trying to do hopefully one and done, but if it needs a second one, hopefully that'll be it. See, this exterior satin enamel, so it has a satin finish. So it'll be easier to clean, especially when it comes time to power washing. The stuff will come off a lot easier instead of using like a flat or a dryer paint. That's it. Got black.
Yep.
Yep.
So that's what we're using for the shutters. And we got another one, but the other one we got is from Lowe's, and it's for the door. All right, you guys, look how black that is. Ooh, so pretty. I can't wait to use it. I mean, I know it's nothing big, but y'all, that's black right there. Black. Alright, you guys, so these are the finished shutters. They look so much better. Y'all cannot tell me that these do not look way better than those green shutters. So good. I'm very proud of ourselves, you guys. We're just checking our work, making sure that everything is covered with the paint. Mike's finishing with the touch-ups, you guys. But yeah, really proud. These are gonna be, I can't wait. They look gorgeous. But go ahead and comment down below and tell me if you guys like how these shutters look. As you guys can see, if you guys see the little wet spots right there, that is because this is the second coat and we're waiting for it to dry. But once it all dries, you know what I'm saying, it'll all blend together. Yeah, this is what we're looking like right now, guys. New shutters, 2020. All right, you guys, so this is the before. Michael went ahead and sealed off the door. And the reason why we have this sealed, you guys, is so that none of our air is let out. So that's why we have this seal right here. As you can see, he's right on the other side of the door. But yeah, we're not using this to paint. We're sealing this off so that none of our air escape and we don't have. All right, so you guys see how dirty the door looks? This is old paint from when we first moved in here, you guys. So we're just gonna give it a bit of a facelift. Not a bit, we're giving it a big facelift. Look at this. This is all chipped off and stuff like that. I don't know how old this door is. Don't ask me. It was just like this when we bought the place. So yeah, look at that. We're gonna clean the door, and yeah, we're gonna give her a new coat of paint and a facelift. So again, you guys, as you guys can see now that it's out in the sunlight, this is the before. Look at the door. Yes, that rhymes. Alright, you guys, so what we're doing right now is we're just sanding down the door because there was a little bit of chipping from the previous owners when they had painted this door. So we want to make sure that it's nice and smooth before we go ahead and put our coat on it, because we want everything to look uniform. So that's what we're doing right now. And I'm probably going to have to clean this door one more time. Can I feel? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you guys, before it was, yes. Feels like it's one with the door now.
So want no hard edges, smooth edges.
Smooth all the way, baby.
Alright guys, as you can see, we got the first coat applied. Of course, you could tell it's definitely gonna need a second coat, maybe a third, but I think the second coat will actually get it. Just gotta wait till it's dry so we can see how it takes. But yeah, so far it's looking good. Got the shutters over there. Those things are dry and ready to be put back up. And here goes the door.
All right, you guys, this is what the shutters look like. They look so good. I really cannot tell because it's so bright outside, you guys. But in person, what I'm looking at right now, I'm looking at greatness right now. These shutters, they look so good and modern. Way better than the green. Way better. Tell me if you guys like these down below because I'm so geeked. I'm so happy. Everything's coming together, you guys. You know, thanks quarantine, because we're over here doing house projects and stuff. Yeah. Looks real good, guys. Yo, this door looks sexy. What's up, sexy? Yes.
Alright.
That's one sexy looking door right there. All right, y'all, so we're about to tear down this plastic here and see if Michael could jump through it.
Ready?
Ready.
I ain't gonna jump through it.
Jump through it. We're free!